Once you understand the purpose and process of big room planning, you can take this event to the next level with 3 big tips from Bryan and me. The first tip is simply be prepared.
Preparation for big room planning, whether you're a facilitator or participant, can make or break the event. Having even one participant who's unprepared can introduce risk and doubt into the entire planning process. And for program level facilitators, being prepared means planning for the event, I'd say 6 to 8 weeks in advance.
Facilitators can help participants prepare by providing a list of what each team should have ready. For organizations new to big room planning, it's also a good idea to organize a half-day experiential simulation. This will grow the participants' understanding of what will be involved in advance, so the actual event is more likely to succeed.
Visual collaboration software like lucidspark is essential for remote big room planning, and it's just as helpful for in-person planning. Not only does lucidspark allow you to set up breakout boards for individual teams, but it also saves time by synchronizing backlog data from systems of record, such as Jira or Azure DevOps.
That's my favorite part.
Big time savings, right? It allows everyone to see the board, which is not always possible in person at a crowded event. And it gives more team members a voice through features like voting, sticky notes, and visual activities. Some of my favorites.
Yeah. If your event is virtual, you can integrate lucidspark with video conferencing apps such as Zoom or WebEx to make big room planning more engaging. In person, you can have participants join your lucidspark board via laptops for part of the event, or you can integrate lucidspark with interactive whiteboards.
To keep the planning session moving forward, it's crucial to have decision makers present, especially for walking the walls. That way, when risks are identified, teams can get the help they need to make trade-offs. Without decision makers, teams might end up without viable plans. Definitely, it slows down the process.
Yeah. So there you have it. 3 tips for making big room planning even more effective. And we'll see you next time on All Access Agile.